Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm discussing about one of the best free unzip software, which is unzip. So search for unzip in the Google and click on the first link, or you can directly visit 7-zip.org and just download the corresponding version of your computer. If it's 32-bit, download 32-bit. In my case it's 64-bit. Download the 64-bit. It's very small, a lightweight software. So already downloaded, click on it, install and close. That's all. Now you have installed the 7-zip. Let us try to open the program and see how it is working. Search for 7-zip. It's okay. I can see that it's in the download folder, and you can open any of the zip folder there. For example, this one. I can open this one. I can extract all the files by selecting all and extract. But let me show you how we can make this one as the default program for opening the zip file. So right click on one of the zip folder and open with, and choose another app, and click always use this app to open zip file, and look for more option. Click on 7-zip under the program files, click on 7ZFM. So we have changed the default program to open the zip files. I believe this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.